Hi everyone. First of all, I'm very sure that you and your family members are in good health. Every day we are listening to various news and we are changing our uh, views towards the situation. Let me tell you very frankly, from the Prime Minister, from to the Chief Minister or to any common man, no one can predict the future because what has hit us is so horrible and so sudden that it's impossible to predict the future. I'll give you a right example. When the storm comes, it disrupts everything. And unless and until the storm doesn't settle down, we don't come to know what have we lost. Along with standing strong, thinking positive, having that hope to come out of this situation, we should all prepare to one common thing that we are going to lose something. Health wise, we all are lucky and we are in good place. But economical damage is inevitable and unavoidable. So, if we start preparing ourselves from today in our mind that we are going to lose some kind of amount, we are going to lose some kind of piece which we had saved or we had with us, or we have to borrow and survive. But unless and until we don't prepare ourselves, we are going to be in a fairy tale world. We are going to live in a fairy tale world, and when the actual situation to rise up will come, we will not have that kind of energy to stand up. So I can I cannot predict anything. I cannot predict anything, but I can assure you one thing, that these things will settle down. There will be a little hardship. There will be a time which will be tough. All have to go through. Each and every one, from the richest to the poorest, from all the 200 countries, each and every person will go through this time. I can assure you one thing, that these dark clouds will go away and the sun will shine for sure. But then, rather than just spending our time every day worrying and fearing, we should start preparing ourselves. How are we going to tackle this situation? No one is going to come to help us. We are going to help ourselves. We have to help ourselves. We have to help each other in our capacity. But if we are expecting that some miracle is going to happen, the government is going to declare some package or something, nothing is going to come. Because of not that the government doesn't wish to, but the problem is technically the government cannot do anything because we are 135 crore, and looking at the economical condition, it is next to impossible. It's impossible for any government to help this kind of population. So, love and light. Take care. Thank you.